Hello everyone, my name is Gaurav Manchanda. I am Manager North India for St. Lawrence College. We are a public college established in 1967 in Ontario province in Canada. Currently we are open for September intake and we have programs in UG as well as PG. We have programs for arts, commerce, non-medical, medical. If you want to meet me in person, I would like to invite you to the seminar that is being organized by Admission Overseas on 11th of March in Amritsar. I would be present there. I would be assessing your profiles. If you want to meet me in person, I would request you to please visit us on 11th of March at the event organized by Admission Overseas. Thanks a lot. Wish you luck. Bye bye.